So working with different leaders, different people, being a leader myself, what I've realized is that there are certain qualities in a true leader. Well, I have spoken about the 5 attributes of a great leader in my last video which I made on last Monday. Today in this video I'm going to talk about another 3 attributes of a true hero, of a true leader. As we all know that a great leader always have a vision. A great leader always have some plans. So we talk about in previous video that they have a definiteness of plan, they have a definiteness of decisions, they have a keen sense of justice, they are not biased, they have a plan, they have a vision. We very much talked about this aspect in our last video. Today I'm going to talk about another 3 great attributes and a quality of a great leader which makes them strong and which makes them true hero and which makes their followers to follow them. So the number 1 attribute and quality of a true hero is that they are always caring and sympathetic. What do I mean by this? A true leader always think about their teams first. A true leader is always standing by side of a team in their success as well as in their failure. True leader believes in taking responsibilities of their team's failure. When it comes to success, they give the credit to the team. They never take the credit. And they always care for their people. They're always sympathetic. The second quality of a great leader is that they believe in cooperation. So as you all know that leadership demands a lot of power, and power comes from cooperation. Power comes from cooperating each other. Without the cooperation of a team, a leader cannot lead a team. Leader cannot lead a project. Leader cannot deliver any objective. It is the team which makes a leader great, but it is the leader which nurture the team in such a way that they are able to cooperate and they are ready to cooperate their leader anytime. So without the cooperation of the team, they do not do anything. They always involve people in everything that they do. They make them feel responsible and valued. That is the reason the leader is able to lead the team effectively and efficiently. The third and the last quality of a great leader and true hero is they have a habit of doing more than they are paid for. Well, I have practically worked with few leaders and I have watched them very closely. I used to leave from my home and I would watch them work for 2-3 hours even after the shift end. Though this practice was always not encouraged in the organization, but there were leaders who always worked extra mile, who always worked more than they were paid for. And it was not the case that there was someone who was asking them to work extra hour, but they used to work extra hour because they wanted to make some difference in the project that they were completing. They wanted to make the difference in the people's life for them that they were working. They wanted to give something extra. They wanted to give that value, additional value to the process, to the organization. So I have seen this practically that true leaders have a habit, a tendency to work more than they are paid for. So I hope you have loved these 3 attributes of a great leader today. In case if you think that there are more attributes and qualities of a true hero and a great leader, I would love to hear from you. You may want to drop them in the comment section and make it more accomplished. This is your friend Tawseef Hasan signing off until we meet again.